Welcome to our fun drawing class. Today, we're gonna draw 10 easy pictures together. Are you ready?
Yes, let's draw! Wow, it's a bright sun. Sun, 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 yellow sun.
Draw one small circle. Now add 5 pretty petals. Great job, it's a flower.
Flower, pink flower.
Draw a round circle, add a little leaf. Yay! It's an apple.
Apple, red apple. Beautiful. A butterfly.
Butterfly, so colorful.
So colorful.
Draw a square. Add a triangle roof. A door and windows. Awesome,
It's a house. Home sweet home.
Draw an oval. Add a tail and a tiny eye. Wonderful, it's a fish.
Fish, swim, swim.
Draw a tall trunk. Add a fluffy green top. Great, it's a tree.
Green tree.
Draw a long rectangle. Add 2 round wheels. Fantastic, a car.
Vroom, vroom.
Draw a round face. Add pointy ears and whiskers. Cute, it's a cat.
Meow, meow.
Let's draw one shining star. You did an amazing job today.
Thank you, bye-bye.
See you in the next fun drawing lesson. Keep drawing and keep smiling. Bye.